Hi, here's a short introduction to the readings for Tuesday, September 5th. I've got five things on the agenda for you to read. All of them are interesting and pretty short. The first thing I want you to do is to look at the CO2 Now website and write down the carbon dioxide concentration in the Earth's atmosphere as of July. That's the latest reading that we've got. So what's the carbon dioxide concentration as of the most current reading? The second thing I want you to do is go to Joe Rahm's website, Climate Progress, and look at Jonathan Koomey's blog post there. It is a fascinating description of the evidence that shows carbon dioxide concentrations over the last 800,000 years. 800,000 years. That's 34,000 human generations. A good long time. So, how have the concentrations of carbon dioxide changed over those millennium? And what are they at today? What's the projection? And then the very first graph that you can look at there shows the projection change not in terms of carbon dioxide concentrations, but in terms of degrees Fahrenheit. What are the temperature changes that are going to occur over your lifetime, over the time in which you'll be a professional, potentially raise a family, potentially move a variety of places? How is that going to change? The third thing I want you to do is to examine the evidence that there hasn't been any global warming, global climate change since 1988 or 1998. So see the figure on the Skeptic Science page, or take a quick look at the evidence there. The next thing you should do is go to the very next graph. I want you to take a look at the graph showing average global temperature by month since 1997. What are the trends in this graph? Please write down 3 observations that you've got when you look at it. What's happening over the period from 1979 to today in terms of those temperatures? Finally, there's an interesting story that CNN did about NASA's work looking at how glaciers are melting. There's a video in there and a short little paragraph. Take a look at that stuff and get some information about that. As you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see some renderings. The first is of the city Shanghai and what Shanghai might look like at a little more than a meter of sea level rise. Then there's 8 other renderings at the bottom along the way, and you can take a look at those and choose one of the cities or several of the cities and take a look. So there you go. Readings for Tuesday. Look forward to talking to you then. Bye.
See you Tuesday.